Hello everybody and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Guys, so let's give you a little update about my purple nail. I'm gonna show you my purple nail without a microscope in a minute. But oh my gosh, look at that. No scratches at all. And just look at the shine that there still is. So I'm gonna try if I can show you my natural nail. Let me try. Okay, it's a little bit hard, but yeah, I know it's gross, but that's how it looks. When you see it underneath the microscope, that's how your growth is gonna look, okay? So don't be grossed out about it. I did wash my hands, but that's how your growth is looking underneath the microscope. So you can definitely see where the fake nail stops and where the real actual nail starts. See? The beautiful piece at the top, that's my new growth of the nail. So if we go down, look at the shine of that top coat. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to keep it in focus. No scratches. This is a sticker that I placed on my nail from the Galaxy. It is hard to pinpoint, excuse me, I'm really trying to do my best. So the sticker is still on there. You can even see the edges of the sticker. Do you see that? Keep in mind the sticker is not top coated. I just plopped them on there. So yeah, here is a little bit more tear and wear of the nail. Keep in mind, I'm already wearing this more than 1 month, I'm not kidding you. And just look. What? Look at that. That's amazing. So now, let's go to the more designed part, shall we? So here is the beautiful Boo Boo Glitter Glory Amethyst Glitter in close up. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And like you can see, you don't have the crackle effect. Do you remember the game that I was doing? By the way, one person was getting close to win a shout out, but she still need to put all 3 things in 1 comment. So yeah, search to all the comments and you too can find the result, because one person did say all the 3 items and I did replied her, girl, you find them, please put all 3 of them in 1 comment. But yeah, so before I applied Boo Boo's top coat, I did remove the old top coat, the crackled one that you were able to see. Everybody was thinking it was mylar. No, it was not. It was just a top coat after a long wear. So yeah, that was a really bad top coat. But if you look at Boo Boo's top coat that I'm trying, yeah, I'm gonna call it Boo Boo Glitter Glory top coat just because I really hope she's gonna keep it with this one. Look at that. It's even hard to focus on the glitter. Do you see the shine with the light? I had no issues the other time with the shine because the top coat was not that glossy. So the only tear and wear that I can spot on my nail, let me try and find it, right there. Let me try and focus. Bam! That's the only actually. Come on, come back. Baby, come back. Come on. I want to show you to the people. There we have it. See, and that is my actual tip. Like you can see, it's not even only the top coat, it's also the nail that have a lot tear and wear. What do you expect basically? You know, this nail is older than 1 month. So it's just a little bit on the end of my nail right there. And look at the beautiful glitter. It is still sparkly like it was like the first day. Definitely not cracked like when I did the game. Let me remind you, this is exactly the same nail that I used for the game. See the blue? So yeah, to give you the answers, do you know what? I'm gonna close off the one game and I'm gonna find a new game. But this was one item I was looking for, the purplish blue that you can see there. This was a pigment that I have used. Now you can see it really good. Number 2 was the beautiful purple glitter amethyst. And number 3 I did remove was actually a sticker in a $sign that I have from Ebony Plush Nail Creations. There you had it. So yeah, I hope you are looking forward for a next game. Let me know in the comments. And now let's see how the nail looks in real life, shall we? So here is the complete nail, like you can see, and yes, I have a lot of growth. Look at that. No lifting, by the way. But yeah, I definitely need to redo my nails. But oh my god, look at the shine of that nail. Are you freaking kidding me? Just look at the shine. It still looks like the nail is wet. I'm sorry, it's a little bit overlighted. Like you can tell, I'm recording this out of my couch because I really have a bad day. But guys, I noticed it's quite a time ago that I uploaded the video, so I was thinking, why don't do an update with Boo Boo's Glitter Glory Stop Coat? And oh my god, look at that. Do you see how wet it still looks? And like I showed you with the microscope, the only bad wear that I have is on my tip, the tip of my nail. That's basically all. And it's not actually the top coat, it's the nail itself. Like you can see, it's all like, you know what I mean, right? So yeah, I must say, to have it more than 1 month, I don't know guys, but I'm loving this top coat. So yeah, definitely let me know in the reactions what are your opinions now that you see this little update. Do you also think it's an amazing top coat? Would you buy it? Yeah, spill me the tea, girls and boys. Okay, me curious. I think I'm gonna stop this little experiment because, yeah, you can see I waited quite a long time. Look at that growth. It's not beautiful at all. Yeah, I want it off of there. You know what I mean? Get out of there. Shoot, shoot, shoot. So yeah, I definitely need to remove this nail and put some more gorgeous ones on there. But hey, I hope you can see it in this video how shiny the top coat still is. Just look at that. Look at that. And I can prove you. See, it's not wet at all. That's just the top coat. That's how the top coat is. Look at that. Do you see that? Wow, my camera even have issues focusing on it. That's how shiny it is. Yep. So yeah, definitely let me know. What do you think, guys? Is a Boo Boo's top coat a sassy or trashy? I wonder what you think. So let me know. I'm gonna close off this video for now. I really hope you like this little update. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rawr. And stay sassy and shiny. Bye bye everybody.